Are you ready?
Yes.
What do you think?
I don't know what it's gonna be.
What do you think,
I
Brandon?
don't know. I just want to see it. I know what this is. I think I know what it is.
What?
A pool.
What? How can a pool be in there? Hola amigos y amigas, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jackie and welcome. So for today's video, I want to go ahead and DIY my son's Easter basket. So yesterday I went to Target, super last minute. Actually today is Easter, so happy Easter everybody. But yeah, I went to Target and they had absolutely nothing. And honestly guys, I'm always doing everything last minute, but that's because I'm always super busy. Yesterday, it was Saturday and my son Anthony had a tournament and he was trying to qualify for the Central Valley like dual team that's gonna take place at the Salland Arena in Fresno. So it's a big deal for him and we were out there in his tournament. He made the team. I will be posting highlights of his wrestling tournament soon. But yeah guys, that's what I was doing yesterday. And then I went to Target like always last minute and there was nothing, absolutely, not even eggs guys. I don't even have Easter eggs. But I am out of Easter eggs. I can't find Easter eggs anywhere. So I ended up buying stuff at Target and I'm gonna make him an Easter basket. And I think it's gonna be even better because it's gonna be stuff that he's gonna like and he's gonna enjoy for today. So let me show you guys really quick what I'm going to do. So yeah, I didn't get super dressed up, but I do have on a cute little green dress. Let me show you guys. But yeah guys, nothing fancy because I am gonna be cleaning. But yeah, let me get to the video and let me show you guys what I bought and how I'm gonna DIY his basket. I hope you guys enjoy it, and maybe next year, if you guys are like me that are planning everything last minute, you guys decide to just DIY your Easter basket instead of buying one already made. But yeah guys, let me get to it. So all this stuff, once again, I purchased it at Target, super last minute, but super cute things that I found. And first things first, of course, we're gonna need a basket. So I ended up purchasing this cute little basket and I thought, why not? I can use this for laundry, I can use it for other things, or just to place it in my car, in my trunk. I did want to go all out for him, so I'm going to put in here because he's been wanting one and it's a perfect day. It's sunny out, it's 80 degrees, so he's going to love his Easter presents. So the first thing I'm gonna put in his basket is this. He's actually upstairs guys and he's watching TV, so I do want to surprise him, so that's why I'm trying to whisper it, because I don't want him to know that I got him this, but he's gonna be so happy when he sees it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. This is what it looks like, super cute. He's gonna be so chill in it today, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it in here. And I mean, it's gonna take most of the space, but who cares? It's gonna be awesome. I'm not gonna do anything in like a specific order, so I'm just gonna like pull it out and then I'll be showing you guys as I go, and then I'll set it up and then I'll show you guys the end result. But yeah, so I got him like some of his favorite stuff. This is like a little Play-Doh set. He's gonna love it, he's gonna enjoy it. He loves ice cream, so I thought why not get him his own little ice cream Play-Doh set. So I picked up that one. These are some cute little bunnies. He loves painting guys, and like he is so crafty. He likes to paint all day, draw all day, like that is his thing. So I thought this was super cute. It's some little bunnies and he can decorate them, paint them, and do some crafts when he's outside. I also got these for my other kids, and I got 3 of them because they can each paint one, and these are just little Easter bunnies. And so I got these, one for Anthony, one for Kayla, one for Brandon, and then I also picked up this paint so that they can all like decorate their own little Easter bunny. I thought that would be super cute, and of course Brandon is going to love that. It gives him something to do with his brother, with his sister. Super cute little like a bonding time during Easter. And then guys, of course, along with the pool, I had to get him a cute little towel. I got this one for Brandon so that I can match his little theme and he can use it today. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in here for his little pool theme basket. And then guys, I also got him these. I actually got 2 pairs because his brother, even though he's older, like he enjoys like entertaining Brandon and having fun with him, and it's always just them two. So I got them each a pair. I'm actually letting the older kids pick their own present. I'm not gonna get them a basket this year. I'm just gonna let them pick out something that they want. I didn't have time to pick up stuff for them, but I think Anthony's really gonna enjoy this because he just likes to jump in the mini pool with his brother and have some fun with him. Every time I turn, I just noticed you guys are gonna be seeing my straps. But yeah, ignore that. Guys, I couldn't forget the little swim trunks, super cute. They're super bright. And I think it's also cute because it goes with like the theme of the pool. Another thing that I found, guys, that I thought was super, super adorable. I mean, after he goes in the and comes inside, they're always tired after that. So for after, when he comes inside and he just wants to relax, I got him this super cute, it's like a Peppa Pig, the Easter Bunny like video. I thought it was super cute because it had it in like that little area of all the Easter stuff. Let me show you guys. Isn't that so cute? And then while he's watching his video, I also thought it would be so cute if he can like cuddle up. And this is so cute, guys. I don't know if you guys have seen them at Target. It's like a little chick. Isn't that so cute? It's like a little chick blanket. Oh my God, I think I want it for myself. It is so cute. It has a little thing on the top. Isn't that adorable? Yeah, guys, these are so cute. And they have like all kinds of different ones. They have like some dinosaur ones, but this was so cute because it's Easter. It's a little chick, and isn't that adorable? So cozy, guys. Look, this is the material. It's the softest thing ever. You guys will really, really like this for your toddlers or even for your grown-ups because I want one. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna put this in his basket. Also, I think he's gonna like it. I know he's gonna say it's so cozy and cuddly. So we'll do that. I really didn't find eggs or anything like that, but I did find these. These are so popular, the little Kinder eggs, and I'm gonna put a few of those in there because he really likes these as well. I found this little pack, which I thought was cute. I could just throw it in there, but I also bought like a little bunch of individual ones, and then I'm just gonna throw them in his basket. Or I could even ask him if he wants me to hide those and he can try to find them, because I don't know what I'm gonna do for the little Easter egg hunt because I don't have those plastic little eggs. So maybe he's just gonna want me just to hide them just for fun, to see if he finds them. But yeah, guys, I also found this. This was like the last Skittle plastic egg that they had at the store. I'm not even joking. And luckily, guys, I did find this little complete egg decorating kit. And it does have like the food dye in here, but I ended up with 2. I do have about a dozen of eggs in the fridge, so we are going to boil those right now, and then I'm gonna have him paint those, and at least you'll have those eggs. Normally we don't hide those because we're always worried like they're gonna crack, you know, or like sometimes what if you don't find them? And then that egg sits around your house for like a long while and it starts to smell. Can you guys imagine your eggs rotting for weeks and weeks after Easter? So normally I don't hide those, but maybe I'll record where I hide them. That way we make sure we don't forget any. But I do have some of those and he'll be happy to decorate them. So then, other than that, guys, I just got like candy like this. And of course, I'm not gonna let him eat all these, but yeah, he's gonna be happy to know that he does have some candy. I forgot, I did get him another of this Play-Doh set. It says slime on it, so it's by Play-Doh, it's slime. He'll have fun with that. And then some more individual little Kinder eggs. And other than that, guys, I just got some tissue paper to decorate the Easter basket, which I'm gonna do right now. And I got this little garland just to make it feel more like Easter, the little Easter colors. And I just got some plates that could go with the theme, just to make him feel, you know, the little Easter vibes. But yeah, guys, that's everything that I bought for the basket. I'm gonna set it up right now. I'm gonna make it look super cute, and then I'll show you guys his reaction. Guys, I forgot to show you guys. I got these at the 99-cent store, but I don't know how big they are. So we're going to check right now. Of course, they're not big enough, guys, but I'm gonna cut them and I'm gonna make it work. I'm not gonna lie, I actually got down. This basket looks awesome, but now I feel bad because I didn't get the other kids anything. So with the rest of the plastic bags, I'm gonna cut it up and I'm gonna make the other kids like a little mini little basket, and then I'm just gonna put some money in it because like I said, I didn't buy them anything. Maybe we'll go later and do some shopping for them and let them get something they like, but I feel bad, so I'm gonna make those. So I'm gonna go ahead and use all like this little extra stuff right here, and then I'm gonna make them their own little gift. So yeah, I'm done with Brandon's and I'm gonna finish theirs up really quickly. Finally done. I think it came out super cute, and I'm gonna set up this table. I'm gonna bring out Brandon and I'm gonna show him his Easter basket. So what do you guys think? I mean, for it being last minute, I think it came out so cute. And now I'm gonna go get Brandon and we're gonna see what he thinks about it. Are you ready?
Yes!
What do you think?
I don't know what it's gonna be.
What do you think,
I
Brandon?
don't know. I just want to see it. So many Easter egg surprises. Wait, what is that?
What do you think?
I think it's something with water.
Okay, so that's for Anthony. That one. And then
Now
this
it's
was for
Kayla.
Kayla.
That one's mine. I see chicken and Easter egg surprise. And oh, I know what it's gonna. I know what this is. I think I know what it is.
What?
A pool.
What? How can a pool be in there?
As I can tell because you got me goggles for going underwater.
I don't know, Brandon.
And that? Look, I can tell. As you said, it's something to be on the grass outside.
What?
This can be on the grass outside.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're-
No, it's a pool.
I don't know. Yeah.
I see chicken in that, and goggles, and Kinder Egg surprise, and I see this. It's Skittles and slime. I'll leave my cupcake on here. I see like the Peppa Pig book, or whatever that is. The book or like a movie.
Do you like it?
I don't know what that is. But here, one is like the bunny and it's purple and green, and pink and green, and light green.
You
Mom?
happy?
Yes.
What do you think? You're gonna swim in the pool? If it's a pool? If it's a pool, because
If it's a slipping slide, I'd be so happy. If it's a pool, I'd be more happy than slip slide.
Either way, you're gonna be happy. What do you rate this Easter basket I made you?
I give it 10 out of 10.
Yeah, what do you rate it?
I'll give it a million out of 10.
Wow.
A million. Happy Easter bunnies.
Let me see your happy dance. I love you.
Love you too. Thank you.
You're welcome, Daddy. So there you go, guys. Brandon absolutely loved it. I think it's always a great idea to do homemade things because I think the kids appreciate it more. Well, sometimes they do. Well, most of the time they do. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys have a really awesome, amazing Easter and that you guys are with your families celebrating. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios, amigos.
Bye. Open the sesame. Open the sesame. Gummy. The pool. That one is